wanna see you dance again, because I'm still in love with you. On this harvest morning, gracias.